Chapter 7.2 List Manipulation in Pygame 0. 3. How to extend list with another list.
How can I add the multiple items to the list at the same time?
You can add multiple items to the list at the same time using the extend method. The extend method can add all the elements of an iterable list, tuple, string, etc. to the end of the list. Let's write the code.
What does this code mean?
This code adds the items of fruits2 list to the end of the fruits1 list. Let's run this code. The orange and grape of fruits2 list are added to the end of the fruits1 list.